Welcome to Unity College. My name is Brett Jones and I'm the college principal. Unity College is a college located on the beautiful Sunshine Coast. We are a co-educational prep to Year 12 college and we are founded on the ecumenical principles of the Uniting Church and the Catholic Church. At Unity College, our motto is that we are a learning community uniting, inspiring and succeeding through Christ. We aim to unite all students with a real sense of the other. We want students to encourage students to be self-aware, but also to be very aware of the others in our community and how we treat people with kindness and respect. Additionally, we hope that our students inspire each other. We have a very strong sense that this is the student's school. Finally, we look to success. We look to success through what we achieve in the classroom. We look to success in what we achieve through our whole involvement in the co-curricular life, whether that be the arts, service, or sporting endeavours. We aim to get students to where they want to be. Finally, our motto says that we are through Christ. Our faith underpins all that we do here at Unity College. We believe that we are a welcoming school. We believe we are a school where the students and families are really proud. And finally, we believe we are a school with a really strong sense of caring for each other.